Yesterday,
Yeah, I was about to forget.
I forgot about it.
Okay, I think Akriti is here.
Yeah, I'm here.
I think Akriti is there.
Done with this.
Yesterday we had to tell people wait, spotlight and then burst.
I would go to predict.
Okay, Akriti, Rajan, are you guys there?
Yeah, we're there. We're having dinner. We'll switch on our video in like say 5 minutes.
Okay, no problem. We will start. Okay, firstly,
Yes, we're watching, guys. We're watching.
lovely. So thank you everyone for joining. I'm recording. We have food here. Whatever you have at your homes, please eat. So that's the best we can do in this circumstance. So there are people at our house. We have Amit Patil and Jyoti. So Patil works with us. Jyoti deals with Patil. We have Arun and Divya and their lovely kids Nivi and Nina.
Presents.
And in the center there is Carol. She is the lovely nanny of Neve and Nina. And we have Donnie. He likes to call himself Shashwat. We call him Donnie. It's okay.
So
Then let's see. We have Ranjan and Nupur.
Nidhi.
Sorry, Ranjan and Nidhi. It's okay. It's okay. I know. I made a boo boo on a recorded line. Okay. Keep laughing. So Ranjan works. So Ranjan and I work together at Exceedance, and Nidhi. Dude, there are like few things going against me. Yesterday we were watching that Friends episode where Ross says Rachel instead of Emily.
different place. Not the same.
So maybe I get the benefit of the doubt.
Participants already.
I know, I know, I don't know. And we have
Tiwari and Nidhi.
Tiwari, Amit Tiwari and Nupur. So Tiwari and I have been working together for more than 10 years now. Yeah, it's been more than 10 years. It feels a long time. Yeah, it feels a long time. So Tiwari and I have been together at Exceedance and before that, and Nupur is dealing with Tiwari for 15 years now, which is amazing.
I know. I wish the chocolate that's going.
So Tiwari and Nupur are in Gurgaon, Ranjan and Nidhi are in Gurgaon. We have Travis and Andrea. So Travis is, as we call it, brother from another mother. And his lovely wife Andrea.
No, obviously, we spend way too much time together.
And we have Kanika on the screen. So Kanika was with me during my engineering days. Then we kind of did our MBA together in different schools. Then we started our first job together. So we went through a lot of those discussions early on. She has known me for, I don't know, 20 years now.
Yeah, it's been terrible, right?
Right. She has her daughter Sanvi on screen, which will be on and off sometimes.
And Sarthak.
Sarthak was not there.
And something's right
Oh,
there.
Sarthak is there. Okay, Sarthak is there as well. Oh, there's the other one as well.
Arna is also-
Arna is also there. Lovely. So the entire family.
Oh, that's not good.
Okay. So we have Soumya and Burak. Soumya has known Sumuki for 15 years, give or take.
Yeah.
And her husband Burak, they live in Cambridge, very close to our house, about 40 minutes. I mean, 40 minutes is
17
close. I mean, I drive 1 hour, 15 minutes to office, so 40 minutes is really close. Did I miss anyone? No.
No, guys, if you can come.
Yeah, but
once
they
a
are
week.
eating, right? So they're not. I can't put them on spotlight.
Okay.
But I'll just introduce. So we have Akriti and Rajan on the call as well. So Akriti and Sumuki were together in college, and right? And same with Richa. Rajan and Rohan are now my friends. And by the way, they have wives who are friends with Sumuki. So.
Yeah, here they come. And she's also going to be another mommy to be.
Yes, Richa is another mommy to be. She is going to have a baby in 3 months. 3 months now.
Congratulations.
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 They are on mute, but they're saying thank you. And here comes Akriti. Okay, so everyone knows everyone. This is the reveal wall. There are 9 balloons. We have blue and pink confetti in them. We will
Manish,
burst.
the screen's green.
The screen is green. Can everyone else see the screen? Yep. Travis, your problem.
All right, hold on.
Wait.
No way.
Okay, I'll wait. Okay. Can you see Sumuki on screen somewhere?
No. Yeah, now we
Sumu?
can. Yeah.
Okay, that's the reveal wall, and that's where we will get to know whether it's a boy or a girl. This is the chit bowl.
This is the bowl.
This is the bowl. We'll take out names one by one. There are 9 balloons. People can pick a number 1 to 9. We'll pop that balloon. We'll keep a count. Whichever color wins, it wins.
So they're 18 people in 9 balloons.
Okay, but before we do that, I thought of sharing something.
Of course.
Agenda items.
You can thank me for the correct date.
I want to see the agenda items.
And to give credit where it's due, this was Kanika's idea.
Isn't she a consultant at KPMG?
Yes, she's a consultant.
Style.
She's a consultant
I
at
should have-
KPMG.
Yeah, I should have given you a little bit more about like make it cool, make it casual.
Okay, so we asked our family and friends, and this was the net result.
Oh,
This was really the net result. There is
How many
really
responses?
about 75.
No,
75.
can't be 75. Even 50%. 72.
76. Okay, there was between 73 and 76.
Okay.
Okay, so quite a few responses, still 50-50. Then we kind of bifurcated friends and family.
Oh my God.
It was still 50-50. What only, Manish?
Oh, now you would do that. Only you were invited up.
Is there more, Karen?
There's more. There is some more. Then we thought, let's dig. So Sumuki's friends and family voted mildly towards a girl.
Oh, God.
Family voted. I mean, clearly,
We get counted.
you were counted both in friends and family.
No, Sumuki.
Sumuki and Manish.
We split you up.
I have a feeling go one level down.
So
You have way too much fun.
okay. So this was.
You have way too much.
So basically, Sumuki's friends want more Sumuki. Manish's friends want more Manish.
Oh,
Yeah,
Kanika?
I'm saying we are Manish's friend, but we disagree. We don't want more Manish. I'll prefer the child to be towards Sumiki style.
I can. I think I can put you on mute.
Rude.
No, I did not. Anyhow. Then
Oh.
this is, by the way, there are about 7 countries in the voting mix.
There you go.
So there are about 7 countries in the voting mix.
Well, how come you didn't? Oh, I'm not gonna ask.
No, ask.
Next slide. The pie chart.
See, now the next slide is about age, and I bet he's wrong.
Okay, so the next slide is based on age. So clearly,
Ages.
So older people thought
It's not any kind of an ist. It's just data being presented in a certain format. There is no ageist,
view.
You
sexist.
wanted to consider him in the younger category.
So because I am less than 40, therefore the brackets start at 40. There's no real reason behind that.
Oh, sure.
Okay. So couple. This is interesting. So
Where do we get counted
Yes.
in this?
So you no. So in this one you guys don't get counted. So couples who have only girls, they want more girls, and couples who have only boys, they want more boys, which is surprising. I thought they would want the other way around, but looks like there is always the fear of the unknown.
You know what happens to us?
Have patience. You are there. You are there somewhere. But this was surprising. I thought people would want the other way around, but looks like there is fear of the unknown. Then
There we are.
okay, so males wanted girls, married men, single men, all voted females, and females voted boys. Married women, single. But interesting, there's an interesting thing. All the women voted for boy, majority, but married women who have no kids, they voted overwhelmingly for a girl. Something to think for the husbands.
So much time did you spend in this?
Break this down by India and other countries.
Okay, enough.
Can you go back to slide number 8? Let's go back to the Q&A.
There is a question. Okay.
Ranjan Tiwari, we have to do something here. We have made a monster here.
That's the one we're working
कुछ बोलना चाह रहे हो तिवारी?
Hi, Manu.
Oh, Manu is here.
Hi, Manoj.
Yes. Looking at the effort you have made and the whole the different kind of stats that you have gathered, it's amazing.
All
I'm
that
just
from
glad that we are done with all the work because he's setting a benchmark for people who are yet to have kids.
okay. So now game time. This was just a bit of a warm up. So now game time. The rules are simple. All the names are in this board. We'll pick out a name. You have to pick a number 1 to 9, and Sumukhi will pop that balloon, and we'll get to know. We'll keep a count of all the votes, and whatever wins at the end wins. Okay? Who is taking out the chip?
Uh-oh.
Divya, you want to take out the first chip?
Sure. Are you correct?
Yeah.
Richa.
Okay. Richa,
Yes.
pick a number 1 to 9. We can't hear you.
9. She said 9.
9. Okay, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, you are on spotlight. 9.
Hina, you want to count?
No. Blue.
Okay, so 9.
Blue. Okay.
Hey, Manish, now I know why you're so stressed out.
Shame on you guys. Okay, Travis, what are you saying?
I said, now I know why you were so stressed out. You know, to orchestrate this whole thing, you spent a lot of time on this.
We did a dry run and everything last weekend, Travis. Okay, so the next name is Carol.
Talk to Sumukhi.
The next name is Carol. Carol, pick a number.
5.
5. Okay, so Sumukhi is on spotlight. 5. Okay, that's a blank.
Oh, okay.
Just to keep things interesting.
Oh my God.
Yes.
Just to keep things interesting till the end. Otherwise, there is a chance you'll get to know before itself. So. Okay, who's next? Oh, so the next name is Tiwari. Tiwari, pick a number.
1.
1. Tumu 1. It's pink. It's pink. So the score is 1-1.
Oh. You come, we're gonna.
Okay, the next name. The Navy is pulling out the chat.
Nupur.
Oh my God, the Tiwari family is on fire. The next name is Nupur.
Okay. 7.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yes. Okay, 7 is a blank.
Oh my God.
Okay.
Andrea.
Oh, the next name is Andrea.
Number 3.
Number 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, this one is a blank as well.
Oh my God. Yeah.
Just to keep things interesting till the end.
Yeah, he does. He was playing yesterday. So yesterday was last when we went to gym. You would have had to guide him heavily.
What's the next one?
Says Amit. Who is Amit now?
Amit. Corruption.
No. Amit is Patil.
Oh yes.
No.
I am Amit, but Ranjan is Amit.
Tiwari, Ranjan and Amit.
No, Amit is Amit.
Oh.
Ranjan is not. Ranjan is Ranjan. Tiwari is Tiwari.
Oh, I choose.
Arre ruko. हाँ, 2. Let's go 2. So 2 is blue.
So now it's two blue.
I knew it is blue.
There are 3 balloons.
Yeah, go.
There are 3 balloons. There are 3 balloons. There's 3 balloons still.
Yeah, all blue it
What's the
seems.
next one? Sorry, Ranjan.
All blue it seems.
Travis.
Who knows? Travis.
Number 4.
Number 4. Yes. Ooh! No, not yet. There are 2 more left.
You can't have a split. It can't be a split. It is a boy.
Let's see. Let's see. There are 2 more numbers. There are 2 more numbers.
Yeah.
How can the probability of it?
There are 2 numbers left, 6 and 8.
Can we see the graph again?
Yeah, sure.
Rajan.
Okay, so there are 2 numbers left, 6 and 8. The score. So Divya is doing some math, guys. Hold on.
Is it a boy and a girl twin?
Okay, so Divya is doing some math. Okay, so the next name is Rajan.
Is it a twin of boy and girl? Is that what's going on here?
Yeah.
Okay, so Rajan.
Akriti on mute.
Akriti, you're on mute. The 2 numbers left are 6 and 8.
6. I unmuted.
What is the 6?
6. She said 6.
Okay, she said 6. Go, Sumu. Ooh, it's a pink.
Whoa.
Okay, it's a pink. The last one.
Yes.
The last one.
Maybe.
God. Take one.
Dude.
Okay, so this is the last one.
So whoever has to
Arun.
My lucky number.
Hold on, Sumu, hold on. So Arun's lucky number is 8. Okay, so 8. It's a pink.
Twins!
No, we don't have twins. So this is the final score.
Oh my God, this suspense is
You will know. So we.
So here comes the finale. Here comes the finale. The game was. There is a big one.
Big balloon.
Okay, ready? 2, 3.
Very good. Oh boy. Okay, so it's a boy. We are having a boy.
Congratulations.
Yay!
That's so exciting.
Thank you, thank you. Nina, are you happy? Nina, are you happy? Okay, okay. Okay, so the guys don't go just yet. We'll just cut a quick cake and then we can hang around as much as you want. Just cut the cake. So move मैं ले आता हूँ.
Very high.
Have you thought of names yet?
Oh, by the way, we have not thought of names yet. All name suggestions are welcome. Please do send in.
Arun, very good name.
So Arun just suggested Arun, which is not going to happen. Neither Amit is going to happen.
No, there's a lot of confusion already.
There has to be a boy. Do you have any names for that?
Travis would be a good name, Manish.
Yeah, my mom will be super happy, Travis. My mom will be ecstatic when I tell her her grandson's name is Travis.
She might prefer it to Burak though.
Actually, Burak might be more preferred than Travis. She will.
Show them the cake.
You're gonna save us a few seconds, right?
Sorry.
So imagine we had to vacuum the entire house yesterday, like properly
So we did a gender reveal with family yesterday. So we had to sort of vacuum the whole house after the confetti blast yesterday. Let me see if this camera can catch the cake. I think it can. I'll just keep the camera on. Yeah.
Beautiful. Oh.
Little shoes on top.
Okay.
It's a
So not yet. Can you guys?
Perfect.
Yeah.
So pretty.
Perfect. Yeah, this is perfect. We can sit and cut. No, but
You can spotlight himself.
Oh, why?
निकाल दो.
She might be fine. The laptop will go.
Okay, this is better. Okay, thank you everyone for joining. So move.
Come.
What do we say?
We don't sing.
Congratulations!
And jubilation. So Sumuki will cut the cake and feed me, basically.
Okay.
Oh my god. Yay!
Great.
What? Sky? Yeah.
Okay.
Blue.
Hey, by the way, Kanika. Hi. Is she there?
Yeah, she's there. You have to speak in this
Kanika, I
direction.
don't think you should give party ideas to people. You told him to make a presentation.
Laugh out of it.
I took a video.
We got a good laugh. That is true.
What's he doing here?
I wish I could share this cake with everyone, but we'll have to eat it over the next 5 days. It's not really sad. I'm actually happy.
He wants to see something.
You want to see the shoes?
She's having fun. Wow.
Okay.
See,
Cool.
We logging off?
We are probably going to log off now.
Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you. Idhar aa jao. Thank you, everyone.
Congratulations.
Thanks.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye bye. Congratulations.
Hey, congratulations.
I know, congratulations.
No point in
Congratulations.
anything.
Literally following in the